Hey, this is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. I haven't had a chance to record a lot of videos that I've, done in the past, so I'm putting some videos up that might be out of sync chronologically. This video coming up here, I recorded, but I never did get it posted up, so bear with me. ManCave Mayhem's evolved from kind of a how-to channel just to do everything channel. So that being said, we do a lot of scooter trips, we do bike riding, we do all kinds of stuff, so things are going to jump around, and I hope you bear with me and enjoy what you see. Are we moto vloggers? No, we're not moto vloggers. We're just kind of people doing things, and hopefully we can show you stuff that's fun that maybe it will make you want to get out of the house and do stuff. So that's all. I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, this is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. Tonight we just got back from our trip on Route 66. My wife got this new scooter, and the gentleman that we bought the scooter from helped me add this top case, which worked fantastic on the trip. It gave us extra storage that we didn't have, so we used that. I do have the headrest for it, but I have the bracket. So halfway through the trip, I knew that my wife earned her stripes. So because she earned her stripes, I bought her a new top case, and it came actually 2 days before we got home. So I bought her this top case, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how we install that. It came with a universal mounting bracket. I'm going to go ahead and try and install it with this universal mounting bracket. They do make a specific mounting bracket for the Yamaha Majesty, but I think the bracket that he gave me with this top case is going to work. There's a metal bracket here, and it's kind of a universal setup too, so I think it'll work with that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this top case off. We kind of ran into some issues with wind and stuff with this big old boxy unstreamlined top case, and I think that more streamlined top case might help a little bit. You know, it may not, I don't know, but this one worked out great, don't get me wrong, but it's pretty big and bulky for this scooter. Okay, so I got the top box off, and this is the base that came with that top box, or the one that he gave me, and it bolted right up to this. So the base was obviously made for this scooter. This is the universal base that came with the Givi top case, and I think I'm going to be able to line it up. The way that works is it's just honeycombed, and there's the holes hopefully will line up with some of these holes on this plate, mounting plate. I can put it on, and then it has this fancy cover that goes over the top of it, and it just becomes the mounting base for the top case. So hopefully we can get that all taken care of, and it'll fit. That'll save me, probably just doing it this way will save me probably $100–150 to buy the exact mounting base for that. Okay, so I got the top plate mounted. I can kind of show you how that worked. There's little steel biscuits that fit in there, and they slide either way. You can mount them, and mount them however you want to mount them on the mounting plate. And those particular ones that I mounted is these two are mounted through solid holes, and these are through slotted spots on the plate. But it made it pretty solid. It's not going anywhere for any kind of load that we're going to put in it. Again, this is for the mounting plate that comes with the top case. You can see this isn't as pretty as it could be, but we're not sweating it, and my wife isn't sweating it, so we're just going to run with that. So now I'm going to put this little finish piece on there, and it comes with two little screws that hold that down. So that'll go on next. Okay, so there's what the scooter looks like without the top case on it now. That's the universal mounting bracket. It worked on this mounting bracket that he had bought for this scooter originally for that other top case. Now we'll go ahead and put the top case on it and show you how it looks. All right. And this is the Givi top case mounted now on the Yamaha Majesty scooter. It's a 2009. Came out pretty good. Hopefully it'll work a little better for my wife on some of our longer trips that we go on. But that's all for now. I need to clean the scooter up after our long trip. But actually, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks for watching.